Does that sound like a horse? It sounds like a horse?
Yeah.
Sounds like a horse.
He's so freaking sick.
Oh, hey, sexy. Where you been all my life?
Tell me what you want. What you want?
Let's go, Team Jackson.
What? Oh my gosh. Catherine. I don't believe you met my boyfriend. This is my boyfriend. How you doing? Benny. Girl?
Hey, beautiful.
Where you been all my life? Sexier than Justin Bieber. Not really. Nobody's sexier than Justin Bieber. Oh my gosh, they cut his head off. There it is. All three of them. Ooh, that's the part I like to see. Oh, let's go to the escalator.
Let's run down here.
There's
Let's
light
run down
balls.
here. Wait, no. Wait. No, dude. There's like... Let's go up there. Oh, wait, that's down.
No, this is down. Brad Pitt.
Alright, ready to go through the door?
Right.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Macy's account? Are you 18?
I'm 14.
You're hilarious.
Oh, this is like the stairway to heaven.
It's heaven! Let's go! Let's go! Don't wait!
No, wait. Here, take this.
Hey, lady. Hey. I'm at the pathway to heaven. I'm running away.
That was a fail.
Epic fail.
I should have planked. Why do you want to go this way?
I don't know. My soul tells me to.
Your instincts, your gut.
My gut is saying let's go this way.
No, we're gonna get kicked out of Macy's.
No, let's go to the
Oh, look, it's so cute. I'm joking, not really. I would never do that. Never. Let's go to the down escalator. We're gonna go to hell.
Don't worry, Satan. We will run.
You wanna try to walk up it?
No.
Guess it's my job. Dude.
I will walk these rangers. I will walk. Let's go.
I think that's enough for right now, don't you, Mrs. Catherine?
Indeed.